In today's video, I'll show you how to call someone in Slack. Perfect for quick team chats or detailed discussions. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in a web browser. Then select the workspace where you want to make the call. If you're in multiple workspaces, make sure you pick the right one to access the correct channels and contacts. Next, look for huddles. Hover over your workspace name and you will see the option to start a huddle. Click on it, then type the name of the person or channel you want to call. Slack will suggest matches as you type, making it fast and simple. Click Start Huddle and your call begins. During the call, you can talk freely, share your screen, or even start a video call if needed. This makes Slack calls versatile, whether for quick check-ins or collaborative sessions. And that's it. You are now ready to call anyone in Slack effortlessly.